Did you know that you can send custom personalized video messages right within the mobile app? That's right, this is an awesome feature that's quick and personal and allows you to communicate with your customers one-on-one right within the mobile app. So let me show you how it works. So here we are within the mobile app. We're in a conversation with one of our customers and we can send these via SMS or Instagram and Facebook DMs, which is really cool. In order to do this, all we have to do is click the plus icon, then select video, and then it'll switch to our camera where we can send a direct video like this. For example, "Hey Jennifer, glad to see you got signed up with the program. Let's talk soon." And then you can take this video, click use video, and then send this to your customer via this channel. What it'll do is it will generate a custom link just like that using your branded domain. And then you can send this to your customer where they can view this video right on their cell phone just like this. Isn't that absolutely awesome? I personally love this feature and would love to see more of you guys using this. It's a great way to connect with your customers one-on-one in a personalized manner. So as always, I hope you found this video helpful, learned something new, and thank you for watching.